How to create and share digital business cards using your phone. Ready to ditch paper business cards and go digital? Today, we'll create and share professional digital business cards using the Hi Hello app. First, download the Hi Hello app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free to use. Once you're done downloading, open the app and follow the easy setup instructions. You'll be guided through creating your profile. Let's design your card. Hi Hello offers a variety of stylish templates. Choose one that suits your style and brand. Customize it with your name and title, company and logo, contact info, professional photo. Hi Hello lets you customize colors, fonts, and background images to create a truly unique card. Once you're done, just tap Save. Hi Hello automatically generates a QR code for your card. You can easily share it by direct sharing or QR code scanning. Others can scan your QR code to instantly save your contact information. That's it. You've created the professional digital business card using Hi Hello. It's easy, convenient, and perfect for making a great first impression.